Executive Member C.K. Jamatia marked the 41st anniversary of Tipra Motha Supremo Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Manikya Debbarma on Saturday, July 4th. The occasion was celebrated with a formal cake cutting ceremony alongside the students at the Khumpui Academy Girls Hostel.
Our Maharaja Bubagra, our Bubagra, happy birthday, happy birthday to our Bubagra.
The 41st anniversary of Tipra Motha Supremo Bubagra Pradyot Kishore Manikya Debbarma was celebrated with high enthusiasm at the Khumpui Academy Girls Hostel during a gathering of 375 resident students. To mark the occasion, a formal cake cutting ceremony was held where Executive Member C.K. Jamatia alongside the students and hostel wardens joined in a celebratory birthday chorus. During the program, students delivered speeches reflecting on the life, contributions and enduring leadership of the Tipra Motha Chief. Addressing the gathering, C.K. Jamatia praised the Bubagra's unwavering commitment to the indigenous populace, characterizing him as a symbol of Thansa, which means unity and the true voice of the Tripura. He emphasized that a leader has consistently championed the rights and truth of the indigenous people. The event concluded with the students, staff and leadership collectively extending their warmest wishes for his continued good health and longevity.
Tini 4th July 2026. Tini Nidinasang Maharaja Chini Bubagra, His Highness Pradyot Kishore Manikya 48th birth anniversary. Many happy birthday summer celebration klaika or Khumpui Academy Annex Girls Hostel or nego joto warden, joto matrons, joto students 375 students tongo jong joto barawa miliki jong Maharaja ni happy birthday palan klaika jong saka je Maharaja Chini symbol of Thansa, symbol of unity, Chini Maharaja ke Chini Tipra voice, Khorang, Chini jeng Maharaja jeng jotoro ribalui Thansa khlai Chini Tipra sarani rights ni bepara adhikar ni bepara kok sai tongo jeng mona alochona khlaika angka jeng joto miligui aro nego joto students, joto teachers, joto warden, joto matron jeng joto miligui Maharaja ni bani good health, bani happiness, bani prosperity, bani ayu klok thong hane jeng ora jeng suri lekha jeng prayas lekha joton hamdu. Reporter Boyer from Khumulu, Chini, Khorang.